Hello YouTube family, it is on and popping. Alright, your boy just got his own pit barrel smoker. Shout out to my boy Technician 775, my longtime friend Steve. He put together me a pit barrel smoker and it is awesome. We got to do some things. Hello Fitzgerald, tell everybody hi. Yeah. And we got to do a couple of things. We're going to, first and foremost, we got to put a vent right there. He had some, but he couldn't find them. He was going to take one off of his pit barrel smoker. Told him that wasn't necessary. I was going to make it work, and I got the perfect solution. This is what I really love, my basket. It is a professionally built basket, and it holds a lot more charcoal or briquettes, we'll call them, and I love this thing. Look at that, heavy duty. I got my rebar for to slide in to support that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go out to my old barbecue pit. I was supposed to get rid of that during the hurricane, but I failed to do so. And good thing I didn't. We can use it. So now let's walk out to the barbecue pit. We're gonna take that vent off, and we're gonna put it right there. Drill a small hole and attach it right there. Let's go. Follow me out to the barbecue pit. There it is. Put that back just in case we decide to do something with that. Now, I'm going to get my battery operated drill. We're going to pop a hole in that puppy. And we're ready to smoke some meat. Be right back. Alright, let's get this thing going. We're going to take a small drill bit. And we're going to get us a starter hole going. I'm going to put the hole at the top. I thought about putting it off to the side, but if that ever gets loose, it's going to fall off. So I think the best place to put it would be on the top. Matter of fact, let's put the hole about right there. All right, here goes nothing. All right. Now, we're gonna put what we call a unibit. This is a universal bit or a step-up bit. It's got several different sizes, so we're gonna drill it up to the size that we need. That ought to do it. The bolt. Perfect. Put a nut on the other side. Probably what I'll wind up doing is putting 2 nuts to lock it in place, to make it a little tighter. There she is. Beautiful. All right. Now, there's really nothing else we need to do but find some meat, and we'll probably do that tomorrow. It's getting late in the afternoon. So we're gonna fill that up, some charcoal. He also gave me this Weber grill, the charcoal starter. It's my boy. We're gonna fill it up with charcoal. We're gonna get us one of those Coleman ovens. We're gonna light it off, and we're gonna put it in place. And tomorrow we're gonna do a brisket or some chicken or something of choice. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. But for now, peace.